It's Monday, September the 28th, 2015. I haven't done a Delray VA weather update for a while, and so we're going to do one for this week. This week is going to be kind of an interesting weather week, and I want to go over some of the areas that are kind of interesting. What you see here is a current mosaic radar from the National Weather Service, and we are right in this area, DC. You see this area of actually quite heavy rain that is coming up from the Gulf. Actually, the Gulf has two separate lows right now, which is a little unusual, but this blob of moisture is going to be moving up in our direction over the next couple of days, probably get here about late Wednesday. And so at starting around late Wednesday, we're going to start getting some moderate to heavy rain, tropical rain. And this is the Iowa State Mediagram, which shows gives an estimate of what the precipitation amounts might be. And if you see here, this is the Wednesday region. This darker red profile here is actually the latest NAM projection of what the total rain would be. And we're looking approximately right now about 2.5 inches. It's projecting by sometime Wednesday. And let me switch over to this product. This is the Buff Kit display of the NAM North American model. And let me bring up this. This is the overview of the next few days. This is the late Tuesday, early Wednesday time period. If we come up here, this is projecting that the rain event will be starting Tuesday about 9 p.m. and will run through probably 4 a.m. on Wednesday. So it's going to be basically an early Wednesday night or Wednesday morning, late Tuesday night event according to the NAM. And what this is projecting right now is a total, let me get a total here, a total of about 2.5 inches, 2.4 inches. If we move this, let me see where we are here. Okay, here is, if you notice, we at Wednesday 1 a.m. it's showing 4 dots in this area, which indicates a very heavy rain. The rain rate is about 1/2 inch an hour during this period, according to this model. But the interesting part here is if we zoom in here, there is a chance that we could see thunder showers Wednesday. Early Wednesday morning. So we have to keep an eye on that. Okay, now I want to show you a couple other things. This is the a projection of accumulated rainfall between let me move this back, between now and October the 2nd, and that would be Friday. And we are right in this area, and if you can see, it's quite red in this area, which this is indicating somewhere between 1 and 2 inches of rain accumulated over this week. So it's going to be a very rainy week. This is the actually this is the European Mediagram for this week. For some reason, the GFS Mediagram really isn't working on the site that I usually draw it from, and it's showing that again we're going to start getting a rainy period through Wednesday, late Tuesday, early Wednesday, with accumulation. This is projecting about half an inch of accumulation of rain by the end of Wednesday. But it's showing another increase over in this area. This is in Friday, Saturday, and Sunday region next weekend. And that's the real interesting part of the weather this week. This again is projecting what we're going to get over the period. And this is an ensemble projection of sort of a summation of a bunch of different models. And again, it's showing the probability of getting over an inch of rain by Friday is actually pretty good. So we're going to get a good soaking this week for sure. But this is the real interesting part of this week's weather. And this is Tropical Depression 11. And this is the National Hurricane Center projection of where this tropical depression will be going over the next few days. And it's showing that it's going to be just offshore, or possibly, this is the cone of uncertainty, so it could very well be hitting the Outer Banks by Friday 2 a.m. And if we look at this product, this is an ensemble projection of where this depression may go. And if you notice, there are a few models which say it might very well go right over us in this, we're right here. And so this is quite possibly going to bring us even an extended rainy period into next weekend. And I suspect that's why the European model is showing a second burst of rain in the Friday-Saturday area. So this is something that we're definitely going to have to watch. There are a lot of other ensembles here. Let me give you this one. This is intensity guidance. So it's saying that there is a slight chance that this depression could develop into a weak Category 1 hurricane sometime out about Saturday, Friday, Saturday. Well, I don't think it's going to really be a hurricane that will bother us. There is a possibility that this could very well end up affecting the Massachusetts coastline in the Saturday, Sunday time period. It's something that if you're headed up into Martha's Vineyard or any place in the eastern Massachusetts, you definitely need to keep an eye on that. Okay, I think I'm going to wrap it up for now, and if you have any questions about this or any other weather questions, you can give me a tweet at PatPend, P-A-T-P-E-N-D, and I'll try and answer them. Thanks a lot.